Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to our jQuery video tutorial. In today's session, we will explore a fascinating concept, jQuery selectors. jQuery selector help us easily find and manipulate elements on a web page using a simple CSS-like syntax. So let's dive in. So first of all, what are a jQuery selector? jQuery selector are used to find and select HTML element efficiently. Once selected, we can modify them, apply style, or add cool effects. Think of jQuery selector as shortcuts, just like selecting a contact from your phone list instead of scrolling through hundreds of names. The next is why use jQuery selector. There are three major reasons. The first is simple and short syntax, easy to write and understand. The next is CSS like syntax. If you know CSS, you already understand jQuery selector. Then the third is powerful and flexible. You can select elements in many different ways. Now let's look at some common jQuery selector with examples. Here is the first one is select by tag name. You can select all elements of a specific tag. Example here, you can select all paragraph elements and change their color to red. Here is the jQuery syntax. Now you can this is a p tag. Now this is .css. Here is the color and here is the value. So this select all paragraph tags and change their text color to red. Now we see is in the example here. We open our code editor. You can see here is the script tag, and inside the script tag here is the jQuery syntax. Now here is the script tag which contains CDN, jQuery CDN. Now here is the document.ready functions. Now inside it here is the tag. Now color red. So here is the now you can see here is the paragraph color. All paragraph color is red. Now if we change into blue, so now you can see here is the blue color. Now if we this color into green, I can see here is the paragraph color into green. Now the second is select by ID. You can select a specific element using its ID. Examples like hide a button with ID my button. Now you can see here is the basic syntax of jQuery for hiding a button. Now you can see here hash my button dot hide. Now here is the my button. Select the target button and hide it when the script runs. Now if we open in our code editor, now you can see it's hide. Why? Because we use this function. Now if we remove or comment out, now you can see here is the button is visible, and if you want to hide, we uncomment this line. Now you can see here is disable. Now the third is select by class. You can target elements with a specific class. Examples like change the background color of all elements with class highlight. Now here is the dot highlight. It means it's a class. Dot CSS, it's a background color. We use here background color and its value is yellow. Now here this applies a yellow background to all elements with class like highlight. Now you can we open this in our code editor. Now you can see here is the p element. Now here is the highlight class, here is the highlight class, and here is our jQuery code. So here is document.ready functions. Now here is the highlight class which I select, then CSS. Now here is the background color yellow. So here you can see there are two class first, and here is we use a div inside the div class like highlight. So first, and here is the third one is yellow background. If we change into green, now you can see here its color is changed to green. Now if we use a highlight one, so it's not apply on first paragraph because we change its class. Here we use highlight, so the third one is highlight, so that's why it's give me a background color in a third row. Now look at the example of advanced selector. So first is our selecting multiple elements. You can select multiple elements at once using a comma. Now you can see here we use h1 tag and tag. Its color is blue. Now you can here this applies the blue color to both h1 and p elements simultaneously. Now we open in our code editor. Now you can see here we have h1 tag, p tag and two p tags. Now here is our JavaScript jQuery. Now here you can see h1 tag and here is a p tag, and we give a color like blue. If we change here color like red, so give our red color. Now if we use a div here, now we copy this text and paste it in our div. Now it's not apply on div because we not select here a div. If we want to select, now we can use this div and it apply in all tags. Now you can see here. The next is select first and last element. So first select the first matching elements and the last is select the last matching elements. Example, make the first paragraph bold, and the second one is here underline the last paragraph. Now in this example, the first selector finds the first p and makes it bold. The last selector finds the last p and underline it. Now you can see here is the code. Now we open our code editor here. Now you can see here we have three paragraphs and it's our JavaScript jQuery syntax. Now you can see here we use p first, so p first font weight bold, so that's why it's give bold text. Now the p we use here p last, then its text decoration is underline. If we use here color, now we use here color. Now you can see here is the first paragraph, color is red. Now if we use here uh, I give here background color. Now here we give a yellow. You can see how can I change this background and color of first paragraph and last paragraph. Then the third is even and odd elements. Selects even numbers elements, index start from 0, and the second is odd, selects odd number elements. Examples here, change the background color of event tables rows. Here is the syntax of tr even, and the second is change the text color of odd paragraph. Now you can see here is the paragraph odd, change into green. Now the tr even, change the background of event table rows. P odd makes odd paragraph green. Now here is the example. We open in our code editor. Now you can see here is the table, which here is the styling of table with 100% border collapse, and here is the th and td border, heading and text align. Here we define a table, HTML table, tr, th, td, td. Then here is the paragraph. Now we use here a jQuery code. Now you can see here tr even. If we even, then it's a CSS background color light gray, and here is the paragraph. Now we change odd ones color into green. Now you can see the first one its index start from 0, even index start from 0, so that's why its first line is gray background, then the third and then the fifth, and the odd start from index 1. Here is the first and here is the fourth. Now using jQuery in an external file for better organization, we can store jQuery function in a separate .js file. Step 1 here, we can create an external JavaScript file, my jQuery function.js. Now here is the document.ready function, and here is, you can see here, dot hide and hide button. Then the second, link the file in your HTML page, and inside the head section here we can use the CDN, and the second here is the our jQuery file path. So it's keep your HTML clean, easier to manage jQuery functions, organize and reusable code. We use a practical example here. Here simple HTML page to test different jQuery selectors. Now you can see here is the code HTML file index.html. Now we copy this code and paste it here. Now here is the JS file. We copy this jQuery file here. You can see here we use a h1, then p tag which contain class highlight. You can see here is the highlight class. Then third is a paragraph which doesn't have any class, then ul tag which contain 3 li, then last is button. Now here is our jQuery code, $document.ready function. Here we use p tag which color is blue. Now you can see here all blue, p tag which have blue color. Now you can see here we use a button, click hide. If we click on that, it's hide. Now the third one is a p first. Here is the, we use a first dot css font weight, it's bold. Now you can see here the first paragraph, its font weight is bold. Now the third, now the last one is ul and li, background light gray. Here is the li background light gray. So friends, jQuery selector helped us find and manipulate HTML elements easily. We can select elements by tag, class, ID or position. Using a separate .js file makes your code clean and well organized. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.